Guys, sorry, apparently only 5 minutes is the max I can go on my videos, apparently, so let's get back to this. So, let me just pop. Yeah, so the mechanism, right there. There. So now you gotta make sure the holes line up with the holes right there. Can you see it? Can you see it? With those holes. I got caught. There, so now it goes in. If you can look, you can kind of see that it's lined up. Hang on a minute. Maybe I can take off. Hang on. So, anyways, if you couldn't see it, I might have to do something about that. But anyways, it's unlocked. Just take this, pop it out. But I'm not gonna do that. I just want to show you how to lock it. There, it's locked. Simple. That's why there's this little nudge right here. That's why it's not like all the way up here, because that's kind of stupid. I mean, so what you gotta do is you gotta take it, just push it just a little bit, so it'll pop in that hole, then you gotta push it, and when it stops, there's your limit. So when that happens, you just push in this little thing, and you push it in there, and it goes back into it. Then you take this piece, turn it like so. Done. No.